Downtime. Every company has it, every employee hates it, and every manager wants to eliminate it. But does plant leadership really understand all of the reasons for downtime on the factory floor? There is one group that does understand all of these reasons why a production line goes down. That group is the frontline worker. This is Natalie. She is a team leader at a major bottling company and one of those frontline workers who knows what works and what doesn't when it comes to running her production line. Every day, Natalie comes to work and wants to do her best, but big problems like machine breakdowns, material shortages, quality defects, safety issues, and lack of operators put her best intentions on hold. During her shift, Natalie also consistently battles a host of smaller problems. Problems like minor stops, jams, and machine fault resets. All of these issues disrupt production in one way or another. What Natalie needs is a system that will allow her voice to be heard and a way to simply document what is really happening on the shop floor so some of these things can get fixed. Let's take a look at how Natalie can use L2L to accomplish just that and finally solve some of these problems once and for all. First, using L2L's flagship module, L2L Dispatch, Natalie has at her fingertips an easy way to capture each and every disruption as they happen in real time. With a simple touch of a button on her own personal operator portal, Natalie creates a dispatch the moment a machine goes down, the moment she runs out of material, or the moment a jam causes hundreds of bottles to hit the floor. A dispatch captures when the disruption happens, how long it took someone to respond, and how long it takes to resolve the issue, along with other critical data points. When she does this, the data is captured in L2L for easy, instant access of charts and graphs. It doesn't take long before Natalie has enough information in L2L so she herself can see a Pareto chart that quickly points out the number one downtime disruption on the line. Knowing this information, she and her team can launch root cause problem-solving efforts to eliminate the disruption from happening in the future. Meanwhile, at the same time Natalie creates a dispatch, L2L immediately sends notifications to the mobile devices of the technical resources assigned to respond to the problem. For the responding technician, L2L's AI Assist will give suggestions on possible fixes and potentially needed spare parts for the problem. These suggestions reduce downtime by eliminating wasted time and motion in the troubleshooting and repair stage. L2L further reduces downtime by attaching all of the necessary digital documents a technician may need, such as schematics, drawings, and manuals. If the line stoppage is something minor that Natalie and her team can handle without calling for help, they easily capture these minor stops using L2L's Operator Fix feature. This touchscreen captures every jam, fault reset, and adjustment with a simple touch of a button. L2L digitally connects Natalie to the process like never before, giving her a greater sense of ownership and pride knowing that she has contributed to the improvement of the line by reducing downtime that causes so much loss. To learn more about how L2L can help identify and solve the disruptions that causes your process to go down, go to L2L.com/demo and book a free demo today.